Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Steam tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to display your FPS in a Steam game. This is pretty simple. To do this I first start Steam. Now I click on Steam again at the top and go to Settings. I switch to the In-Game tab and I can turn on the FPS counter here. In the drop-down menu I can set the position of the FPS. For this test I will choose top left. I can also set a higher contrast. By default the FPS are displayed in gray. With a high contrast color the FPS are bright green. I set that and press OK. And now I will show you that really quick. I go to my library and start a game. Although the game window bugs around because it doesn't get along with my screen recording software, you can see the FPS at the top left. And that's all you need to know to display your FPS in a Steam game. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.